Today you'll learn how to make chili using the saute and simmer feature on your Ninja Possible cooker. First, let's saute the ground beef. Power on your Ninja, put it on saute mode, and turn the temp on high. Let it preheat for a couple minutes and then add some oil and your ground beef. Brown your beef just like you would in a pan on your stove. I like to remove some of the fats after cooking, so once my beef is fully cooked, I just spoon some of that grease out of the pan. Once your ground beef is fully cooked, add your other ingredients so they can simmer. Add in 1 onion, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of RoTel diced tomatoes, 1 large can of kidney beans. Make sure to drain and rinse the beans before adding them in. 2 cups of broth or water if you don't have any broth on hand, about a half a cup of paste picante salsa, a tablespoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. I like to add extra veggies to my chili, so I dice up a whole green pepper and I'll add that in, and I usually chop up about 1 or 2 cups of cauliflower and add that to my chili as well. Here's where the magic happens. We're gonna let the chili simmer for however long you have between prepping dinner and eating dinner. Dinner time already? Simmer it on saute mode for 15 minutes. You got 1 to 4 hours, slow cook on high, 4 to 8 hours, slow cook on low. This chili is great topped with cheese, avocado, sour cream, and of course, a side of cornbread. Here's a recipe you can take a screenshot of. And hey, if you want to see how to make cornbread in a cast iron pan, check out my other video.